Dr. W.R. Karluki MP Rajya Sabha Meghalaya kakat santri uyayong arajar arpusan ulong bakamat Ïakren halor kejing temu ban wanra ke Lynti rel kalakut da kabaka sarkar jelna kan haban Pynphai ke Pisa kaba arspa klur tingka kabala air ke sarkar India ban shim Jaka na benta ke projek Lynti rel kuman syukdo baka sarkar jelna kala thau ke all party committee ban Atiar halor kejing wanra ke Lynti rel sharilom khasi bat jantia Haba keren cikilat patai kubor Dr. Karluki ulong baka komiti leksi kala banyak keren haga bayadei ni benta kipor ki banwan halor ka rai ka sengsan hima voice of the people party banamya dan benta haga all party committee banyak Thied Lynti rel Dr. Karluki ulong baka sarkar ka don kam yang persya ka ban ai jingmut banyak tei bat umtip da ka jingbam tre bandan haga komiti kan penbhani kan pensneo.
Railways, everybody has agreed, even the government has returned the money. So, subject ends there. But they have returned the money. So, consultative maybe, I don't know how many years, then will come up back again.
So, is it the end of chapter for railways in Khasi Jante Hills?
No, now you have returned the money. Where will you get the money again?
So, you mean to say it's the end of the...
For the time it's the end, I think. You see, what the government need is a constructive opposition. So I don't know, by not being in that consultative committee, whether it's constructive or destructive, I don't know.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Rajya lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.